In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new fonts to Adobe After Effects using Adobe Fonts. This is a great way to expand your creative toolkit and ensure that your projects really stand out with unique typographic choices. Whether you're looking for something modern, classic, or quirky, knowing how to efficiently add fonts can massively enhance your design capabilities. Let's dive right in by starting with your Creative Cloud desktop app. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and do so. The Adobe Creative Cloud app is your central hub for managing your Adobe applications and associated assets. Once you're in the app, you need to access the Fonts section. You can do this by either clicking directly on the Fonts icon if it's visible on your screen, or by navigating a slightly different route. Take a look at the Assets menu. Under that, you'll find Fonts. Either option will get you to the same place, and from there, our journey to new fonts continues. Now that you're exploring the Fonts section, you'll want to browse a wider array of options. Look for the link that says Browse More Fonts. This will guide you to the Adobe Fonts website, where the real exploration begins. This website is a treasure trove of typographic possibilities, with thousands of fonts waiting for you to discover. Take your time to scroll through the available font families. You can filter by categories or themes, which helps if you're looking for something specific. As you browse, keep an eye out for a font family that resonates with your project's needs. Once a particular font catches your eye, clicking on Add Family will add the entire set of styles associated with that font to your workspace. If you're interested in just a single style within a family, you can choose Add Font for that individual style instead. Next, it's essential to ensure that your newly chosen font is activated. Activation is a crucial step because only activated fonts will sync properly to your system. Once you see that the font is active, you're all set, and it will now be available for use in After Effects. This synchronization process allows smooth integration into your Adobe software, so you can access your fonts without having to toggle between different platforms. Shift your focus to After Effects, where you can now put your font to use. Start by creating a new text layer within your project. To apply your newly added font, open the Character panel. This is where you control your text styling, and in the Font drop-down menu, you'll be able to find your recently added font ready to use. Select it, and there you go. Your typography within After Effects is now enhanced, featuring the new font you just integrated. With these steps, you can effortlessly expand your font library and enhance your creative projects with unique and personalized typography. Enjoy the endless design possibilities that come with having your perfect font at your fingertips.